Hello, look what came today. So excited. Gonna see what's in it. Hello, Charmers. This is the $21 regular monthly subscription. And this month is November, and the little card in here says Gold Digger. That's the theme. So the first thing we've got here is Jaunty Blue Glittering Star Eyeliner. Interested to see what that looks like. I saw some sneak peeks, so I think it's actually like a glittery eyeliner. Sorry, my dog is going crazy right now. I'll do a little swatch on my hand to see what it looks like. Hope everybody is having a good weekend. Whoa, that flew away. There's little glitters in it. You can kind of see the shimmers. Oh wow. So you can see it, it literally does like have glitter in it, so it's pretty interesting. And then I got Lashaholic Luxury Lashes. And it says ready, set, get addicted. Those are pretty. And the design is Insta Glam. It's pretty. It's got like sparkly gold, very pretty packaging. And they're very soft. And then I got a set of Luxie brushes. These are really pretty, very sparkly. They're in a foolproof bag that you can't get in. Oh, there we go. Oh, they're so soft. Look at that. They're so shiny. I don't know if this does any justice, but they're gorgeous. So those are all the tips. There's a little round flat one, another little round, well actually it's kind of like it's got a curve to it, and then a more fluffier, and then an angled brush. So they say a mini flat angled, a mini round, mini tapered, and mini angled. That's super cool. And the Cover FX glitter drops in Nova. Holy moly. Let's check this out. I'm just not even gonna drop it on. I'm just gonna put like a tiny little dab right there. So you can see it. Oh my gosh, my whole hand is sparkling. I don't know if you can see it. It's like my whole hand and my finger now is all sparkly. Very smooth, like very satiny feeling. And the last thing in here is Ace Beauty Grandiose Palette. So I'll swatch a couple of these. Ooh, they look much better than they do on camera. They look much better in person. They're really pretty. There are like 3 glitter shades. This one, that one, and that one. And then the rose one is more like a shimmer shade. So I'll swatch a couple of them. So Jasmine, which is this shade right here, it's more of a it's kind of sheer. That was a pretty light swatch. Let's try Myrtle, which is that coppery color. Oh wow, that one's pretty. This is like horrible lighting, I'm sorry. Let's try Rose. It's a very pink. Oh, it's got like a really pretty sheen to it. Like that swatch doesn't do it any justice, but it has like a sheen. And let's try Poppy, which is like a flat color. They're not bad. They're pretty soft. Pretty good pigment. Those are my fingers after swatching them. Well, I would have to say this box was pretty worth it. Well over $21. So I've been with Boxycharm for a few months now, and this has probably been my best one so far. So hope everybody likes what they get. I know there's a few variations. I think mine says number 3 in the corner here. So there's supposed to be like a brush cleaner and some tweezers and some other stuff. So holy moly, my hand is so shiny from those glitter drops. So I'm excited to try all this stuff out. Super good colors for like fall and holiday time. So, all right. We'll be back when the other subscriptions come. Have a good day. Bye.